Hey guys, today we're going to check out the Adedad cordless drill set. Here's the box that every item comes in. So it comes with a storage bag. You can see it on the top. Everything fits nicely into the bag so you can toss the box away. And going from left to right, there is a measuring tape that measures up to 10 feet long. 11 driver bits, 9 drill bits, a flexible shaft, a 1300 milliamp hour battery, the cordless drill, and a charger. As you can see, the Adedad can take out screws easily. So this is 3/4 inch hardwood plywood. It can take out bigger screws just as easily. It can also drill through the 3/4 inch plywood with ease. Oh, by the way, you're watching me upgrade my solar power system, so look out for that video. So I bought this from Amazon for $59.99 plus tax, and for the price, it's a great deal. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe.